Today I'll be showing for you how to make honey syrup. Hi guys, from Miami to the world, welcome to my channel. It's a home bar essential, not so much essential as a sugar syrup, which we did some time ago, and you can check it, the link right here. But honey syrup is also very important in bartending and in cocktail making, and I'll show you how to make it right, how to make honey syrup. I'm going to use a regular honey. I bought it in Trader Joe's, but you can buy it in any shop. This is a multifloral lager honey, and you might ask, why to make honey syrup? Because it's already like a syrup itself. But the problem is using this honey into cocktails, it really dissolves very hard and you would need to mix very long. So for this reason, it's better to dissolve it with a little bit of water so it becomes honey syrup, and you can easily use it in all the cocktails that you want to use. And I'll show you many cocktails with honey syrup. Just subscribe to the channel, keep tuned, and we will cover a lot of cocktails in this amazing channel. Let's go. Honey. So the first thing what I do, I'm going to take water and put it on boil. I start boiling the water, and I'm using 1/3 of the cup of water, and I'll be using 1 cup of honey. So actually I'll be using 3 times more honey than water. Sometimes I use 4 times more honey than water, so it could be either or, but usually it's more honey than water. Of course you can do it 1-to-1 ratio, but then it will be very liquidy and very watery honey syrup. So I recommend at least use 3 times more honey than water, sometimes 4 times more honey than water. So it will be as close as it could be to the honey taste, just a little bit of water, and it will be easier to work. So we have the honey ready. Now we have to wait for water to boil, or actually you don't even need to boil, you just need to heat it up. So I'll see. The water is ready. I'm not going to boil it, it's really close. I don't want to evaporate all of it. So actually I put 1/3 of honey, of water, sorry, compared to honey, but it evaporated a bit, so it's basically a little bit less. Now I'm putting honey in there and stirring until it will dissolve and it won't be so sticky or so thick as the honey substance. And for this I have Money Saver, very good tool. It saves money in the kitchen and in the bar, because you get every drop of your product without leaving anything on the walls. I don't know if you can see, but it's already becoming more liquidy. Even we just put 1/3 of the water, so it's only 25% of water in all of this substance, but it's already quite liquidy. Of course it's because it's warmer, hotter. So you just have to stir it until all the honey dissolves into water and mixes the water very well. It won't take too long, but you have to do the work. Very nice, very nice. Like liquid honey. Even the honey is liquid already, but it's even more liquid honey. And I'll pour it in the bottle. And here we go. We have an amazing honey syrup. And honey is really a very good ingredient because it has a lot of nutrition elements, and of course we're not going to use too many of it in the cocktail, but it's still a very good ingredient with a lot of aromas, flavors, healthy elements. I'm not advising that drinking is healthy, I'm just saying that by drinking at least we can get some good elements into our body. So it's done. Enjoy your honey syrup. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got inspired, and I hope you will make an amazing honey syrup at your home bar. Please smash subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends, and comment how do you make honey syrup. If you are doing it somehow differently, or comment what other syrup or what other ingredient I should show you how to make. Thank you very much, and I see you in next videos.